has cemented her position here as one of the starters. Take a look at the first 6 for Petrogas and of course the Liberos that we saw in their match against Cherry Tigo. And eto nga, napag-usapan Pablo si Kat Arado, offense versus defense. Pero syempre, yung showdown ni Brooke Van Sickle at ni Savvy Davison. And here we go. Savvy with the first ball and the first point today. Yep. Welcome back, Savvy. Third spot with equal number of points. 91 points so far in this tournament. Service ace.
Yep, that was service ace. Sakto sa PLDT. Binitawan na ng mga receivers yun because it looked like it was sailing out, but it clipped the line.
We're even at 2 apiece. And Palma. This time Savvy was there and she goes up for the dink.
Yeah, that was a good placement. Yung ginawa ni Savvy, but ang layo ng defense na yun.
Good up by Savvy.
Oh,
gandang bantay naman nun.
Yeah.
Coron.
Ganda ng bantay. Del Palomata, but a miscommunication. And who will get
the PLDT high-speed hitters? Well, of course, top of the list is bagging the win since last game na nga nila ito for the year. They wanna end on a high note para ma-enjoy talaga ang pahinga at maganda ang pasok.
3-point lead by PLDT.
Good first ball.
And Ceballos again, hitting it off the hands. And PLDT will get to 8 points first.
High speed ng Petrogas rather. So a lot of unforced errors from their side, but a good hit there from Myla Pablo, targeting cross court. I'll take a look at that again.
And that spike of the set brought to you by Duncan Pasalubong ng Bayan. Expecting big numbers from Myla Pablo. We're closer now, just a 1-point lead for PLDT. Davison, same thing. On the other side, also going for that corner. Lead back to 2 for PLDT. Myla Pablo off the hands. Easy point for Typhoon Pablo. And she's in the front. Let's see if this is it. What a pancake
Yeah,
save.
good save.
Yun, pasok na naman.
Yeah.
Zone 6 this time. What a comeback.
Right, so far Savvy Davison has hot hands now for the PLDT high-speed hitters. Kaya naman ang taas ng percentage niya the score. At 6 points advantage for this first set.
Tatarado setting up Savvy. Off speed. Easy for Petrogas. Wow! There's a matchup that we have been anticipating. All the action live, on demand, and on any device. Download and register for free. Lots of sports on Pilipinas Live. And that is 8 points already for Savvy. Van Sickle with the receive. Targeting Savvy once again. And the ballooning lead of PLDT already with the 7-point advantage. Make that 8.
Birthday girl, Majoy Baron. One-on-one na lang sila doon with the back throw hit ni Myla Pablo.
On paper, they are such a dangerous team, PLDT. Oh! Yun naman.
Yeah. Back-to-back blocks.
Kinukwento natin na #1 blocking team sila. Ito pa isa.
Yeah, ang ganda nung...
Petrogas coming from a loss and PLDT from a 2-game win streak. Sabete. And right away, instant impact for Jonah Sabete.
Good serve. Oh, good save from Sabete. And a chance here for PLDT.
Oy! Hulog! Ganda naman. Lahat tayo nagulat. I'm sure kayo rin nanonood sa bahay.
PLDT. Take a look at that. Talagang dinikit ni Kat Arado yung receive niya sa net para naman easy drop ball there.
And what a way to end this first set.
Yung coverage nila, dahil nabablock nga sila ng PLDT. Hindi ganun ka-tight yung coverage nila.
And that one is another point. So Sabete seems to unti-unti na ng PLDT kanilang mga puntos. Still a 5-point lead.
Oh.
Okay, make it 6 again. Remy Palma is also one of the leaders of the squad, and she has been of Petrogas. So kilalang-kilala niya ang kanyang mga teammates, and she's right. Communication on and off the court is key. Joy Baron, another point for the birthday girl.
This time from Majoy Baron. Take a look at that. So I think pag middle attackers, mas nahihirapan makablock yung either squad.
Sabete from the left-hand side this time. She's gonna get another chance, and she finds the hole down the line.
Janelle Cheng sa kanyang spikers.
And that spike of the set brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan.
Parang low and fast sets na yung binibigay ni Janelle. Kaya take a look at this 6 points advantage ng Petrogas for this second set.
And the blocking, they are not the best blockers, but they're doing what they need to do, slowing the ball down. Petrogas getting another chance.
Hindi nila na-sustain yung maganda nilang galaw nung first set.
Oh!
Oh, still alive.
Great save there by Baby Love. Ayun, ang bilis ng pangyayari, and that is what's that. Don't allow the other team to transition dahil ito medyo nagkagulo. There's scrambling. Actually, double hit ba yun?
Parang double hit,
Oo.
but okay lang dahil tignan mo naman yung attack na yun.
Koji, gusto lang niya i-sustain kasi yung ganung klase, high energy ng Petrogas.
Yes, and ang ganda din ng mga first balls nila.
Pati second.
Take a look at that. Yeah.
Hindi naman kompleto ang araw mo kung hindi mo makikita yung mga laglag ni Janelle Cheng pagka naglalaro sila.
Oo. Nakakuha.
Good receive. And Pablo.
Oh.
Slow but very smart.
Yeah.
Good first ball from Ceballos.
No, good defense.
Yes. Arado with a save. Santos blocked, and she tried to kick the ball back up, couldn't do it. And that's another point for the Angels. That block of the set brought to you by East West Bank, the official bank of the PBL All-Filipino Conference. And Petrogas as a team, they're doing much better in the second set. They lost the first one 12-25. For those of you who didn't get that. Santos sending it over. Sabete, Dacoron there. Sending the ball over to another chance for Petrogas to set up. Great anticipation by Kat Arado. Pansico with a save. We have a rally. Pablo, soft one. Yung mga off-speed ni Pablo, yun ang deadly ngayon.
Oo, kasi hindi mo alam kung bago yung approach niya eh. Akala mo papaluin ng malakas. But take a look at that. Tumama.
Pablo with 9 points already today. Alcantara putting it up for Ceballos. And Petura was there. Dacoron setting it over. Unexpected by PLDT.
Yeah, definitely. Because akala mo isa-set niya, but nakita niya si Dacoron for the back quick.
Walang bantay.
Yeah, yung puntos na nakukuha doon ng Petrogas. So PLDT needs to adjust their defense pattern.
Ceballos again. Dug by Sabete. Good read by Temperatura. Vansico with that cross court.
Yeah.
As they lead by 8. Vansico back-to-back. This time down the line. Humahabol. Problema ng PLDT. Alam din ng Petrogas yun. So they are just playing fluid. They are playing very loose, Petrogas, in the second set. And in system as well. Vansico. Good up by Temperatura. One more time for Brooks. Hitting it off the hands of Del Palomata. And Sheila Casero, let's see if she was iced or that's a good serve. So unbothered by that timeout. Vansico with her own save. She goes up one more time. Talagang bigyan mo lang ng bigyan. Isubo lang na isubo kay Brooks. 25-12 for PLDT naman for those of you who missed it. Uy!
Again.
Ganda naman nun.
Yeah. But Majoy attempted to get that one, but yun na nga, hindi naman ready.
MJ back on the court also coming from an injury as well. Ito parang, sabi nila, hindi pa 100% si Jonah Sabete, pero for Petrogas.
For the set.
Tough serve. Chance here for Petrogas to close out. And good enough. MJ Phillips with the help of the net.
Yeah.
And the score is 25-14. A win for Petrogas this time. Turned out so far in this matchup between the Angels and the high-speed hitters. Just blowouts. First by PLDT. This time,
Nako, hindi ko alam yun.
But they really have found friends in each other. We're talking about Brooke Van Sickle and Savvy Davison. But not today. Galit-galit muna. Oh, Sabete into the net. The difference between the first and second sets, no, kahit ganun yung blowout, nakita natin nung simula, nagbabalikan pa ang PLDT Petrogas. But in the second set, PLDT never led.
Off-street shot.
Sila yung palagi naghahabol hanggang sa wala na, ang layo na ng point.
With the help of the net, Del Palomata saving the day for PLDT. That ball back with the Angels. Pablo down the line, inside.
Yeah.
Center Janelle Cheng for the distribution here. Looking at the stat sheets, dalawa na yung double digits si Pablo and si Van Sickle.
Nice reverse.
No, but an even better block by PLDT. That's what they have to remember, that they are
4 points, isahan lang.
Arbon also doing well. Good receive there. And Sabete taking advantage of...
Pinakita mo na ni Cheng na magbablock siya, tapos bigla niyang binaba yung kamay niya. Kaya naman, walang touch.
Nice pick up by Van Sickle. Ball back to Petrogas. Pablo will go up, and she is looking for that corner. She finds it. Zone 1 empty. Pablo will score point number 11. Coron again.
Yeah, that's
a
the
light.
side.
Later tonight, we will be seeing Cherry Tigo going up against Akari, but the game at hand, very interesting. As Kyla said, we want to see how this will pan out, with both teams just dropping each other in the first 2 sets. Petrogas, lumalamang na naman. Lumalaking kalamangan.
4 points so far ang lamang ng Petrogas.
And you remember PLDT started off with a lead in this 3rd set.
Yeah. Ngayon, 5 puntos na ang lamang ng...
Oh, a little too much. That was a tough one. Nakita natin, biglang bumagsak yung floater serve eh. Sabalio has good first ball. Davison going cross court. Ang lalim.
Yeah.
Did for that. Nakita din natin in reverse yun.
Attack. Woo. Oh, still live.
Good heads up by PLDT. And Janelle Cheng weaving her magic again. Jessie De Leon with the serve. That was a tough serve.
Tight set.
Regalo.
Brooke Van Sickle.
Had she waited for it to cross the threshold, no?
Yeah, pwede yun.
Oy! Ganda naman ang basa ni temperatura doon. Davison. Then picked up by Janelle Cheng. Myla Pablo sending it over.
Too tight.
And play continues. Davison with a kill.
Yeah.
Same old, same old.
Again, cross court.
You just look for the open man, the open winger. And that's outside. Easy point for Pablo, hitting it off the hands. She has 12. Tied with... Nagbabalik na Myla Pablo sa Petrogas for a while, di ba? She was
off
she
the
left
bench
for a while. Oo. Oh, what a save. Great defense by PLDT. Sabete going slow.
Yeah, but good check sana ng blockers ng PLDT, but no response there in the coverage.
PLDT is just right behind them.
Yeah, 4 points lang itong lamang ng Petrogas Angels.
And seeing how things have gone So far, maliit lang itong kalamangan na to.
Oo, dahil ang laki ng lamang ng first 2 sets.
Pero pinapalaki ni Jonas Abete.
They might want to activate their middle attackers dahil nababantayan na ng Petrogas yung wing hitters ng PLDT.
Ceballos will get the ball again. And what a save by Sabete. Great defense. Oh, yun naman.
Yeah, that was smart. 3 points na lang ang inaalagaan nila for this set so far.
Pablo will go up. That one picked up by Savvy and Ceballos again. Blocked. Baron is in the front. Great pickup by Barbon. Pablo. Oh, Pablo talaga, no? She has been so steady, so consistent before he goes on board for our next game. That's between Cherry Tigo and the Curry Chargers. Uy! Nakawala kay Kat Arado.
A good first ball.
Oh, off speed.
Yeah. Usually, papaluin mo na lang ng malakas yun. But soft hit works well.
Vancicle going full force for that one.
Chisa Saet stopping in for Janelle Cheng.
And she goes reverse to Sabete, and that works out.
Para hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng miscommunication or no communication at all ng yung teammates.
Ooh, Arbon with a good first ball. Pablo, Doug. Chance here for Saet to set up Pablo one more time, and she gets the point. Petrogas looking for 2 more points to win the 3rd set. PLDT right there with them, getting that point. Lola Ceballos just keeps hammering the ball
From Petrogas.
Good first ball by Morente. Myla Pablo did not waste that. Again, you can see if it gets it ahead of Myla Pablo, no problem. But Carrado with a good first ball. Here's a chance for Petrogas. Are they going to get this 3rd set? That's what Vancicle wants, and that's what she gets.
Yeah, too easy na dumating sa Petrogas yung bola. So, wag nang hayaan makahabol ang PLDT sa kanilang score. But take a look at that long hit actually from Vancicle targeting in between Kat Arado. Yung galaw nila ngayon na kailangan din nila mas maganda ang umpisa for this 4th set.
Sabete with a swing. And Sabete with 12. We started off with a blowout of a first set, 25-12 for those of you who didn't catch it. Sunod na naman ng 25-14 for Petrogas and a much closer Davison going for Janelle Cheng that time, going down the line.
She noticed a significant boost in her confidence. Prior to this game, sabi nga niya sa akin, unti-unti ko nang nababalik kung sino ako at kung paano yung laro ko dati.
But that one proved to be very effective for Petrogas Angels.
Davison again, off speed. Perfect touch, just the right amount. Oh, floater. Good first ball by Savvy.
Santos.
But a quick read there.
Schooling the best blockers in the league. Oh. Mas mababa pa pala for 11.
Oh, good target.
Santos.
Down the line hit by Savvy Davison.
Running attack. Well read by Ceballos.
Oh, good block.
Back row attack. Good up by Mika Reyes. And Savvy with a push from the back.
Tatlong blockers in front.
Good serve by Reyes. Oh, again it's the blocking. Tataas na sila sa rango ng blocking after today. Look at that, 12 excellent sets so far for Janelle Cheng. Ooh!
Yeah, that was inside.
Yep, the offensive blocks this week. We'd love to see her get to 20s and the 20s. Palma again. This time picked up by Erica Santos. Chance for Petrogas. Reverse to Sabete. PLDT's turn. And Joey Prado. Got a rally. Pablo. Off the block. Rebound. PLDT.
Good defense.
Ganda ng palitan dito. Sumobra. And that joust won by PLDT. And it's going to be a point credited to Majoy Baron. 17 big points for Myla Pablo. It's over. Making 18 points. She is now the top scorer for Petrogas. A bind here. They have to win this set to play on. Davison going cross court and catching Myla Pablo off guard there. Mention again her 18 points, conference high for Typhoon Pablo. Sabete down the line.
Nice inside.
3-point advantage for the Angels, and they're also up 2-1. Davison with a roll. Chang looking for Van Sickle. Almost a non-play. Pablo got a hand on it this time but still couldn't keep it in the court. Tsaka ano din to, parang Energizer Bunny. She is also a, diba, pagka nasa court siya, nabubuhay lahat. And that is outside off the hands of Petrogas. The heavy lifting here for PLDT. In contrast to Petrogas, where 3 players are already in double digits. Ooh! And they tried but couldn't do it. Sinubukang habulin ng Petrogas.
Though you did mention na parang madami ang points na binibigay or nakukuha nitong ni Savvy Davison. So other players of PLDT should also step up.
Prado picked up there by Jonas Abete. Van Sickle, ball still good. A chance here for PLDT to regroup. Alcantara to Mika. Oh, wow! The blocking, this time Dacoron. So talagang matira-matibay dito. Fatigue and the longevity and the fresh legs, lahat yan kailangan i-consider ng mga teams.
Single block. Take a look at that reverse set. But guarding that cross court.
Blockers, and it has been a non-factor for them, at least in the last couple of sets.
Yeah. Quick side out for Petrogas.
Again, going deep. Alcantara looking for Jovi Prado. Temperatura with a save. Van Sickle. Dug by Catarado there. Prado. And lambasa ni Van Sickle. Sabete. And look at everybody on the floor just going for the balls. Great saves, both squads. Uy! Pero lumabas yun. But A for effort for Catarado.
3-0 run para mas makadikit sa score nitong Petrogas.
We talk about the need for the middles to contribute to the effort here of PLDT. And Coach Raul just trying to change things up for his squad. That's a tough serve. A much-needed service ace for PLDT. Van Sickle taking care of that one. She goes for the hit and the cross court. 21 for Brooke.
Open hit man or opposite hit. Good serve.
Good first ball though by Joey Prado. Pero naman, bantay. Si Reby Palma and Jonas Abete joining. Middles getting in on the action, and that's something that PLDT needs to also do. Davison, the old reliable, with 27 points.
Middle by Jonas Abete, sending their team to match point.
Davison cross court. Pablo tried. Oh,
Ball is out.
and si Temperatura talaga. Perfect first ball. Pablo, will she do it? She does. And a fitting finish for Myla Pablo with a conference high 19 points to finish off this match and finish off Petrogas or rather PLDT in 4 sets. And what an effort by the Angels. 25-20 is the score. Medyo nahirapan, or this was